Hi, I'm Rose from Hyve. Follow me to our New York headquarters. We've arrived. Let's go in.
Welcome to Hyve at 605 3rd Avenue. Our office is a perfect circle, so we're going to start where we end, at this beautiful custom mural. Here you'll see some of the words us here at Hyve use to describe ourselves. We're located on the 26th floor, which allows us to enjoy these awesome city views. Our conference rooms line both sides of our office and are named after historical figures voted on by employees here at Hyve. Collaborative work is how we do things here at Hyve, so no matter seniority, we all sit side by side because that's how we get our best work done. Hi, welcome to the Hyve Hangout, where people could take a break away from their desks. As you'd expect from an event organization, we really value coming together in person, whether it's for a town hall, a social gathering, or an opportunity to learn something. We really try to gather here at least once a week. Around the corner from our open workspace, we have this amazing area where people could gather away from their desks. Here in our kitchen, we're stocked with snacks, coffee, and a refillable water station. We have this great seating area where Hyve employees could eat lunch away from their desks. Here we have assigned lockers where we can keep our personal items away from our desks. We're ending our loop where we began, at our beautiful mural. But before we go, behind me, these are screens that sit all around Hyve, where it shows Hyve news and also events coming up. Hey, before you go, I want to show you my favorite spot in the building.